Hi, welcome to Juice Bar. Today we're gonna make a Shochu Apple Sour. So today we are gonna improvise a recipe, and the stakes have never been so low, because if this fail miserably, you're never gonna see this. So I found this recipe online, by 4 amounts were off, just sounded off to me. So I'm gonna build it as I go. Let's see if we can nail down the right amounts for this cocktail. And let's start with the main ingredient of this cocktail, which is shochu. I'm gonna use this Flamingo Orange shochu. It's 26% from Kokubu Shuzo in Kagoshima, and it's made from satsumaimo. Satsumaimo is the sweet potato, and the shochu made from satsumaimo has some really fruity and tropical smells. It smells a bit like elderflower liqueur, a lot like elderflower, a lot like lychee. The taste is a lot like apples, and that's why I think it's gonna match well with apple in a sour drink. And let's start with 45 milliliters of this, and then if we need more we are gonna adjust it. But I think this has to be the base of our cocktail. And then the other base is gonna be apple juice, and let's start with equal parts. So 45 milliliters also of apple juice, which I just squeezed from a real apple a few minutes ago. And then we give this a taste. Sweet, fruity, really light. This is extremely light. To give this more of a sour feeling though, let's get some lemon going. Get at least 15 milliliters of lemon inside this thing. And then it's time to taste again. I don't think this needs any extra sugar. I prepared here the honey syrup, but this one tastes really sweet as of right now. Because it's also really light, let's complement it with some gin, and the obvious choice for a gin would be this Gin de Christian Drouin, which is great, it's awesome. It's one of our favorite gin, and it's made by Calvados producer, so he has a lot of apple influence to it. And I will say let's go with 30 milliliters first. I will be tempted to go with 45 right away, but let me try 30 and let's have a taste, because we are getting into a lot of volume here, a lot of alcohol. Maybe 30 is a lighter drink. Let's see if it's fine. Yeah, no, it's still too light. Yeah, let's go with 15 more. Maybe now we are there. Okay, now I think we can add 1 teaspoon of honey syrup. This is 3 parts honey, 1 part water. This new honey syrup is made from whole acacia honey from Canada, which tastes really neutral, and I think we are there. Let's get some ice. Let's give this a shake. Let's double strain in our chilled cup. Ooh. I told you we were getting good on volume. In fact, we barely fit in this larger flanged cup. And I guess that's it. If you have it, maybe a dried slice of apple would be fine. Maybe I can put on a non-dried slice of apple. Maybe like this. And there you go. A Shochu Apple Sour. Let's see if I was able to nail the amounts right. Cheers! Yeah, this is good. The shochu flavor comes through, definitely, all those flowers and lychee, and that remains the main flavor of the cocktail. All other things kind of stand on the side. The core is apple, definitely, and this shochu. The lemon, the honey, and the gin kind of stand behind, supporting the shochu and the apple in this really nice drink. It's still fairly light, I would say. So to recap, it was 1 teaspoon of honey syrup, 50 milliliters of lemon, 45 milliliters of apple juice, 45 milliliters of satsumaimo shochu, and 45 milliliters of Gin de Christian Drouin. Yeah, I think there is a lot of alcohol in this, but you don't feel it. If you like your cocktail sweet, you might want to add a bit more honey syrup. This is there right in between. I like it like this, not too sweet, so it's not gonna have too many calories, but also it's not gonna give you a headache tomorrow morning. Yeah, it's good. It's a good drink. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, share with anybody you like and don't like, comment down below, shake yourself some shochu drink, and hopefully I will see you next time. Cheers. Of course, if you want to know more about shochu, well, Google is your friend, but also I made a shochu episode some time ago where I tried 3 different shochus with green tea and told you my experience about it. So if you feel like it, check it out.